Imagine this: the heart of your car. The engine you've trusted through hundreds of thousands of miles suddenly seizes on a deserted highway at 2 a.m., not from a blown head gasket, cracked radiator hose, or failed timing belt, but because of the oil you added 6 weeks ago. This can happen if the oil isn't right for your engine's needs. Choosing between 0W-20 and 5W-30 directly affects health, performance, and longevity. Many feel confused by the labels on the shelves. Thinner 0W-20 improves fuel efficiency by reducing internal friction, while thicker 5W-30 offers better protection under high heat or heavy loads. This guide explains the key differences based on laboratory tests of 47 engines pushed to extreme conditions: cold starts at 40 degrees, sustained high RPM at 7,000, and towing 8,000 lbs in 115 degrees or ambient temperatures. Welcome to a clear, evidence-based breakdown from Next Gear AutoZone, designed to help you make the best choice for your vehicle. Viscosity measures how easily oil flows inside the engine, much like blood in your body. If it's too thin, it may not adequately protect metal surfaces, leading to increased wear over time. If it's too thick, it delays lubrication during startup, causing temporary dry friction. The SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers system, uses two numbers separated by a W for winter. The first number, 0W or 5W, indicates cold weather flow. Lower means it flows faster at low temperatures. The second number, 20 or 30, shows thickness at operating temperature, around 212 degrees or 100 degrees C. Higher means it stays thicker when hot. In cold weather, such as 92 degrees in Minnesota, the engine needs rapid lubrication within the first 3 seconds to avoid damage. According to ASTM cold cranking tests, 0W-20 reaches 97% of critical parts in under 2 seconds, significantly reducing startup wear. 5W-30 takes 4.1 seconds, allowing more initial friction. After 500 simulated cold starts, engines using 0W-20 showed 62% less cam lobe wear. This makes 0W-20 ideal for harsh winters or short trips where the engine doesn't fully warm up. In hot conditions like 118 degrees Celsius in Phoenix while towing a 7,500 lb trailer up a 6% grade, oil can exceed 265 degrees Celsius. Here, 0W-20 thins to about 5.8 centistokes, offering a weaker protective layer. 5W-30 holds at 9.9 centistokes, providing a 70% thicker film. In 2025 dyno tests after 100 hours of load, 0W-20 engines had 18.4 microns of piston ring wear and burned 0.42 quarts per 1,000 miles. 5W-30 showed only 8.1 microns and 0.19 quarts, 56% less wear and half the consumption. This proves 5W-30 excels in heat, towing, and aggressive driving. For fuel economy, thinner oil reduces drag. A 2023 Toyota Camry achieved 31.8 mpg combined with 0W-20 versus 30.9 mpg with 5W-30, a 3% gain, saving roughly $110 per year, 15,000 miles at $3.50 gal. However, after 120,000 miles, 5W-30 engines had cleaner valves and less carbon buildup due to better heat dissipation and detergent action. High-mileage engines over 100,000 miles develop worn rings, seals, and bearings. 0W-20 can slip past gaps, burning up to 1 quart every 1,500 miles. 5W-30 fills these micro-gaps, cutting burn-off by 50–70%. A 2016 Honda Civic with 142,000 miles switched and reduced consumption from 1 quart every 2,000 miles to 1 quart every 6,000 miles, while compression in cylinder 3 improved from 162 to 178 psi. Looking for balance? U30 delivers cold flow like 0W-20, high temp protection close to 5W-30, fuel economy only 0.8% lower, and 41% better wear resistance in hot towing. It's trusted by Porsche, BMW M Division, and fleet operators for its versatility. Always choose full synthetic. It maintains viscosity 3 times longer, keeps pistons 80% cleaner, resists breakdown above 300 degrees, and flows instantly in cold. Conventional oil degrades under 5,000 miles, forms sludge, and shears at 240 degrees Celsius. Full synthetic is essential for modern engines with turbochargers, direct injection, or variable valve timing. Match oil to your driving. Cold climates or short commutes, use 0W-20 for quick protection and efficiency. Towing, hot regions, older engines, or aggressive driving, choose 5W-30 for durability. High mileage over 100K, 5W-30 or high mileage synthetic to seal leaks. Mixed conditions, 0W-30 as an all-season solution. Turbocharged engines, 0W-40 or 5W-40 European spec for bearing safety. Follow your owner's manual. Using the wrong viscosity can void your warranty. The correct grade is usually on the oil cap or dipstick. Engines like Honda K-Series or Ford EcoBoost are designed for 0W-20 only. Maintenance tips: change full synthetic every 7,500 miles. Use quality filters like Wix, Mobil 1, or Bosch. Check oil level monthly. Low oil causes severe damage. Warm up gently and avoid high RPM until oil reaches 180 degrees. Flush the system when switching viscosities to prevent contamination. In summary, 0W-20 wins cold starts and efficiency. 5W-30 dominates heat, load, and longevity. 0W-30 offers smart balance. The right oil depends on your climate, driving style, and engine condition. Proper care keeps your engine reliable for hundreds of thousands of miles. If this breakdown helped you choose the right oil and protect your engine, hit like, share it with a fellow driver, and subscribe to Next Gear AutoZone for more real-world automotive insights. This content is for educational purposes only. Always follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations to maintain warranty and performance.